Let us begin with relief from royalty method. How does it work? What this method is? Remember, as you can make out, as you can make out from the name itself, what this method is all about. This method is all about that there is a company. This company is having certain intangible assets, and this company is using those intangible assets in its business. Now, how this company will do valuation of these intangibles? So what this company do under the relief from royalty method, what this company do, please pay attention, is very simple. This company will find out if we were to, if we were not to have these intangibles that we are using in our business, and if we were to take these intangibles on rent or lease from an outside company, what royalty we would have paid on those intangibles. So relief from royalty method, how do you find the value of intangible? This is how you find the value of intangible. You are using intangibles, and you are taking benefit of those intangibles. What you do, you assume that I do not have these intangibles, I have to take them from outside, and for taking them from outside I will have to pay some royalty. How much royalty will I have to pay? Find out that amount and find out the present value of these royalties that you will pay over the life of those intangibles. Sum it up. So the present value of the royalties that you would have paid, present value of the royalties that you would have paid had you not owned these intangibles, that becomes value of your intangibles. And that is why it is called as relief from royalty method. That means because you own the intangibles, you are relieved from paying the royalty, and this is your relief from royalty method. I can also explain to you step by step. So number one, entity owning the intangible assets will ascertain how much royalty it would have paid to hypothetical third party owner. The face value, the fair value of the assets is the present value of license fees or royalty fees avoided by owning it. Present value of royalty saved by the business is the value of the subject intangible assets. So this, friends, is your relief from royalty method.
Sir, can I ask, sir, one question?
Yeah, sure, Ankit. Please go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Sir, what are the factors on which, sir, I will consider that this value or this amount will have to come in the future years? Means what are those factors? कि मैं उसको कैसे, how to evaluate amount?
Yeah, that's right.
ये amount कितनी amount है?
Correct.
मेरे को
So for
factors को consider करेंगे, sir.
yes, so Ankit, you will have to see, and that is where it will involve a lot of research, because depending on what is the intangible that you are using, you will have to find out as to if we were to take this intangible asset from outside, how much the royalty we would have paid. So there are no ready answers for a situation like this. So every time when you have to do the evaluation, you will have to undergo a research. You will have to find out. You will have to contact the relevant parties and gather the information from them. And based on that, you will figure out that, okay, this is the amount that I would have paid.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.